Dear students, now we are going to discuss a very amazing but very helpful trick. So what is this trick about? So this trick comes handy or comes in use when you are trying to multiply three numbers near a common base. So here we are trying to multiply not two but three numbers. So three numbers in a single step you would be able to answer. But the ground condition is all the three numbers should be near a common base. So what is this trick about? So suppose three numbers 98 multiplied by 102 multiplied by 105. So just by looking at these three numbers, you can immediately conclude that all these three numbers are very near to 100, and 100 is a base number. So what is a base number? We have already discussed this many times. Let me reiterate. What is a base number? So base number is basically the number of the format 1 and after 1 some zeros. So either 10, 100. So 1 followed by zeros. Base number 1, 3 zeros. So this is 1000. 1 followed by 4 zeros. So this is 10,000. So these type of numbers are known as base numbers. So this trick is helpful when you are trying to multiply three numbers and all those three numbers are near base. For example, 98 multiplied by 102 multiplied by 105. So all these three numbers are near to a base number 100. So let's take this example. So here we have three numbers 101, 107 and 103. So very easily you can say that all these three numbers are near to base 100. So the base in this case, this example would be 100. Now what are deviations? Now let us find out the deviation for each of this number. What is deviation? Any number, how much it is greater than or less than the base, that is known as deviation. So here deviation, so 101 is 1 more than 100, so plus 1, here deviation is plus 1. Similarly here deviation would be plus 7, because you can also find out deviation in this manner, that whatever the number is, from that number you subtract base, you will either get answer as positive or negative. So don't ignore the sign. Sign is very critical in finding the correct answer. So don't ignore the sign. So if plus sign is there, write plus. So plus 1, plus 7. Similarly, here deviation would be plus 3. Now, how can you give answer in one single step? See, answer can be, you can say, created in three parts. So part 1, part 2, part 3. So answer can be created in three parts. So this is part 1, this is part 2 and this is part 3. Now if you manage to fill these three blank spaces, you will get the answer immediately in one single step. Now how you can fill this blank space? Here base plus all the three deviation. Let's call this deviation 1. This is deviation of first number, deviation 1, deviation 2, deviation of second number, deviation 3, deviation of third number. So in first blank space, what you have to write? Base plus first deviation plus second deviation plus third deviation. So this is how you will fill first blank space. Middle blank space, what you have to write? Middle blank space will have two blank spaces. Two blank spaces. Why two blank spaces? Why not three? Why not 4? Because base is 100. Base has two zeros. That's why here you have to fill two blank spaces. Similarly, part 3 will also have two blank spaces. Now, how are we going to fill these blank spaces? So, in part 2, middle part, you have to write delta 1 into delta 2. That means deviation 1 multiplied by deviation 2 plus delta 1 delta 3 plus delta 2 delta 3. That means you have to multiply two deviation at a time and then finally add them up. Now, whatever answer you will get, you have to convert into two-digit number and then write, because here there are two blank spaces that you need to fill. In the last part, product of all the three deviation, delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. So let us see what will be the answer. So first blank space, base is 100 plus first deviation is plus 1, second deviation is plus 7, so plus 7, third deviation is plus 3. So this is 101 plus 108 plus 111. So this becomes 111. So write 111. In the middle part, delta 1 into delta 2, that means 1 into 7. So 1 into 7 plus delta 1 into delta 3, that is 1 into 3, plus delta 2 into delta 3, that is 7 into 3. So this is equal to 7 plus 3 plus 21. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 21, 31. So we have to fill two blank spaces, and 31 is already a two-digit number. So two blank spaces, 3 and 1, 31. Now third part, delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3, that is 1 into 7 into 3. So this comes out to be equal to 21, and 21 is already a two-digit number. So 2, 1, 2 and 1. So our answer is ready. So final answer would be 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. Let's verify this using calculator whether this trick works or not. So we have to multiply 101 with 107 with 103. So is this actually equal to our answer or not? So 111 3121. Let us see. 111 3121. So yes, the answer matches. Let's move to next one, so that let's take another example. So unless you solve 2-3 such questions, you will not get the grip of it. So here again, all the three numbers are very close to 100. So base is 100. Let's focus on the deviation. Deviation of first number is plus 2. Don't forget the sign, plus 2. Here deviation is plus 3. And similarly here deviation is plus 4. Now answer will be given in three parts. Here there are two blank spaces. Why two blank spaces? Because 100 contains two zeros. That's why two blank spaces. And in last part also two blank spaces. Now it's time to fill these blank spaces. In last part we have to write delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. So this is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 into 3 into 4. So that is equal to 24. And 24 is a two-digit number. So you can easily write here 2 and 4. Now focus on middle part. In middle part what we have to write? Delta 1 into delta 2 plus delta 1 into delta 3 plus delta 2 into delta 3. So let's solve this. So 2 into 3 plus delta 1 into delta 3. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. So how much this comes out to be? So 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12. So 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. And 26 is already a two-digit number. So you can easily write it here. 2, 6. 26. In first blank space, what you have to write? Base. Base plus sum of all the three deviation. Delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3. So base is 100. First deviation 2. Second deviation 3. Third deviation 4. So 102, 105, 109. So now you have filled all the blank spaces. That means your answer is ready. Answer is 1092624. So let's verify using calculator. So 102 into 103 into 104. So is the answer correct or not? So let us verify. So 1092624. So you can see the answer matches. So the trick works. Let's take one more example. And I would like to request to you that for the next example, you can pause the video, first try on your own, and then you can have a look at the solution. So here, what will be the base? All the three numbers are near to 1000, not 100 this time, but 1000. So base is 1000. So answer will be given in three parts. Now since the base is 1000, 1000 has three zeros. So in the middle part, you will have to fill three blank spaces. And in the last part also, there will be three blank spaces. Why three? Because 1000 has three zeros. And in the first part, you don't have to worry how many blank spaces are there. So in first part, what do we do? Base plus all the three deviation. Delta 1, this is equal to plus 1. Here delta 2 is equal to plus 2. Delta 3 is equal to plus 6. So base plus delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3. So 1009. So this comes out to be 1000 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6. So that is equal to 1009. Coming to mid portion, delta 1 delta 2 plus delta 1 delta 3 plus delta 2 delta 3. That is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1 into 6 plus 2 into 6. So this is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 12. So that is equal to 20. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 12, 20. Now, there are three blank spaces. So you cannot write 20. You have to write 0 to 0. Because somehow you have to fill all these three blank spaces. Coming to the last portion. Delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. That is equal to 1 into 2 into 6. This is equal to 12. So how will we write 12? Because there are three blank space, we will write 0, 1, 2. Now we have filled all the blank spaces. It means our answer is ready. And this should be our answer. Let us use the calculator to verify. 1001 into 1002 into 1006. Let us see if our answer matches or not. So 1009020012. So yes, you can have a look at the calculator's answer and the answer that we calculated. Both the answers are same. So let's move to next example. Now here again you see all the three numbers are very near to 100. Deviation plus 1. Here the deviation is minus 1. Minus 1. 99 is less than base. So deviation is negative. Or you can think in this manner, 99 minus 100. So given number minus base, 99 minus 100 is minus 1. So deviation is minus 1. For the third number, the deviation is plus 2. Now answer will be given in three parts. Base has two zeros, 100 has two zeros. So middle part there will be two blank spaces, and in the end part also there will be two blank spaces. First part you don't have to bother at all. Now, what will be the answer? This time it is tricky. Slight method is same. Method is same. You'll have to do one extra step, because here one of the deviation is negative. So if the deviation comes out to be negative, then one extra step is added. Let us solve it. last part delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. So that is equal to 1 multiplied into minus 1 multiplied into 2. So this is equal to minus 2 negative negative. So don't write the negative number. This is not the final answer because we cannot write negative as any of the numbers in this blank. So wait, we will come to this later. Come to middle part. In middle part, what we are supposed to do? Delta 1 into delta 2 plus delta 1 into delta 3 plus delta 2 into delta 3. So let's solve this. So 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2. So let's see what this comes out to be. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 2, that is equal to minus 2. So here again we are getting minus 1. So wait, don't write the negative number. We are getting minus 1. So wait, we will come to this later. Come to the first part. In first part, what we are supposed to write? Base plus all the three deviations, sum of all the three deviations. So base is 100 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2. So this is coming out to be 102. 102. But don't write it now. Why? Because here you have problem. Here you have negative number. Here you have negative number. So you have to first resolve all this. So start from the last part. You cannot write this negative. So you take a borrow. You take a borrow number from here. Fine. So if you are borrowing from here, there is already minus 1 and you are borrowing. So minus 1 minus 1. So this now becomes minus 2. It now becomes minus 2. And since you have borrowed 1 from that side, so that 1 will come in this chamber. And since there are two blank space, 1 will become 100. So you have borrowed. So borrowing means now this chamber has 100 as well. Earlier there was only minus 2. So in this chamber now two numbers are present, 100 and minus 2. What is the sum of both this? 98. So write 98 here. So now here the problem is solved. Now this is the final answer. Final answer for this part. Now come to the middle part. Here currently it is minus 2. I cannot write negative number, so I take a borrow. If I take a borrow of 1 from that side, so 1 will become 100 because there are two blank spaces here. So the real value of 1 will become 100. So now in this chamber there is 100 and minus 2. So final answer 100 minus 2, 98. So I can write 98 because it is a positive number. So this part also final answer is clear now. Coming to the first part, since you have taken a borrow, so 102 will become 101. So now our answer is ready. 101 98 98. Let us verify using calculator. 101 multiplied with 99. So 101 multiplied with 99 multiplied with 102. So is the answer matching or not? So yes, you can see 101 9898. So the answer matches. Let's take one more example. So this is very interesting. Base 100. All the three numbers are near to 100. Deviation minus 2. Here deviation would be minus 3. And here deviation would be minus 1. So answer will be given in three parts. Base is 100. 100 has two zeros. So middle portion two blank space. End portion also two blank space. And front part you don't have to worry about at all. So let's start filling backwards. Now what we are supposed to write here, delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. So that is equal to minus 2 multiplied with minus 3 multiplied with minus 1. So this comes out to be equal to minus 6. So we cannot write negative number. So we will wait now. We cannot write negative number. Coming to the middle part, delta 1 into delta 2 plus delta 1 into delta 3 plus delta 2 into delta 3. So minus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 1. This is equal to minus minus. If you multiply two negative number, the product is positive. So plus 6. Similarly, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11. So now we can take borrow from here, because here is a negative number and I cannot write negative. So now problem is solved. Now I am in a position to take borrow. So I take borrow from here. 11 becomes 10, because you have sent 1 to the other chamber. So 11 is now only 10. So write 10 here. Now you have sent 1 to the other chamber as borrow. So that 1 becomes 100. So 100 minus 6, 94. So now the problem is solved. I can fill both these blank space, 94. Now shift focus on the first blank space. In first blank space, what am I supposed to write? Base plus all the 3 deviation. Base is 100. First deviation is minus 2. Second deviation is minus 3. Third deviation is minus 1. So 100 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 94. So write 94 here. So now our answer is ready. 941094. Let us verify using calculator. 98 multiplied with 97 multiplied with 99. So 941094, you can see the answer matches. So let's solve one last. So here again base is 100. Deviation plus 1. Here deviation is minus 4. And here the deviation is minus 3. So let's find out the answer. Since base is 100, 100 has 2 zeros. So 2 blank space here, 2 blank space here also. And here we don't have to bother. Now let's fill backwards. Delta 1 into delta 2 into delta 3. So 1 into minus 4 into minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus. So 1 into minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to plus 12. So you can write here, no problem. We have to fill both the blank space. So we will write 1 into 12. Coming to the mid portion. Delta 1 into delta 2 plus delta 1 into delta 3 plus delta 2 into delta 3. So delta 1 is 1. So 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into minus 3 plus minus 4 into minus 3. So 1 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4. 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to plus 12. So minus 4 minus 3 plus 12 is equal to plus 5. So I can write plus 5 as 0, 5. 0, 5. Now coming to the first position. Base is 100 plus all the deviation. First deviation is plus 1. Second deviation is minus 4. Third deviation is minus 3. So 100 plus 101. 101 minus 7 is equal to 94. You can write here 94 without any problem. So our answer is ready. 940512. Let us verify. 101 multiplied with 96 multiplied with 97. Does the answer matches or not? So yes, it matches. 940512. Okay, let's solve this one last one. So here the base is 1000. Deviation minus 2. Here again minus 2 and here plus 3. So base is 1000. So 3 blank space here, 3 blank space here, and here I don't have to worry. So here deviation 1 multiplied with deviation 2 multiplied with deviation 3. So minus 2 into minus 2 into 3. So minus minus plus. So 4 into 3, 12. So 12 has to be written as 0, 1, 2. 12. Coming to the mid portion. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 3. This is equal to minus 4 minus minus plus. So plus 4 plus minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Again minus 6. So 4 minus 6 minus 6 is equal to minus 8. So minus we cannot write. So we will take a borrow. So if you take a borrow of 1, so that 1 will actually become 1000 because this chamber has 3 blank spaces. So 1 coming from that chamber is effectively 1000. So 1000 minus 8 is equal to 992. So write 992 here. Coming to the first chamber, you have already taken a borrow. So if you have already taken a borrow, that means minus 1 you have already done. Now base is 1000. First deviation minus 2, second deviation again minus 2, third deviation is plus 3, and this minus 1 you have done because you have given borrow. So 1000 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 996, 999. So that is equal to 998. So final answer is ready, 998, 992, 012. So if you want, you can verify. So 998 multiplied with 998 multiplied with 1003. So 998, 992, 012. So the answer matches.